Smart home appliances have gained immense popularity in recent years, as they are designed to make our lives more convenient and effortless. If you're considering upgrading your existing appliances, this video provides an in-depth look at some of the most popular types of smart appliances available in the market. Let's dive into the video. Number 10. Sharp Smart Microwave Oven. This 1.4 cubic feet countertop microwave oven by Sharp operates at 1000 watts and features hands-free cooking with over 70 Alexa voice commands. Once connected to Wi-Fi, the extra-large white LED clock automatically sets itself to the correct time. The sensor cook and defrost menu options take the guesswork out of cooking and reheating, making the process faster and easier. Convenient one-touch preset keys allow you to start cooking for popular durations ranging from 30 seconds to 6 minutes. It's specifically designed to achieve optimal popping results for Orville Redenbacher's certified popcorn. Simply touch the popcorn button or ask Alexa, microwave classic popcorn, and enjoy light and fluffy popcorn with a delicious buttery flavor. It costs about $199. Number 9. Nuwave Brio Air Fryer Oven. The Nuwave Brio digital control air fryer with rotisserie is perfect for preparing large portions of delicious and healthy foods quickly. It utilizes superheated air and efficient airflow to cook crispy, delicious fried foods without added oils. The food you serve your family and friends will have less fat and up to 75 fewer calories, allowing everyone to enjoy the great taste of fried food without worry and guilt. With an internal light, you can easily monitor the progress of your food. Brio features 4 different rack positions and is programmed with 100 pre-programmed menu presets for grilling, air frying, baking, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, reheating, defrosting, toasting, and more. It costs about $169. Number 8. Meter Plus Meat Thermometer. Meter is considered the best wireless smart meat thermometer available. It comes with a dual sensor system that measures the internal meat temperature and the temperature close to the food. First, insert the probe into the meat, follow the app instructions, and choose from a variety of meat types and recommended temperatures. Never worry about overcooking or undercooking again. Sit back and relax as you can monitor your cook from the living room, office, backyard, studio, or anywhere. The Meter app will notify you when your food is ready. Meter can estimate how long to cook your food to get perfect results every time, whether you love cooking indoors or outdoors. Meter works with all major appliances and costs about $99. Number 7. Tovala Steam Oven. Our smart ovens automatically switch between modes and temperatures to provide you with amazing restaurant-quality food when you're too busy and don't have time to cook. Use Tovala meals to make a healthy dinner with no prep and no cleanup. Scan Tovala meals and name-brand groceries to cook them perfectly. Skip the prep work, guesswork, and cleanup by simply scanning the barcode on hundreds of groceries to cook them perfectly at the touch of a button. Set the cook mode and time from your phone and let Tovala Oven's automatic cooking do the rest. You can check on your food's progress from the next room and get notified when it's done. It features 5 different cooking modes: steaming, baking, broiling, reheating, and toasting. It costs about $299. Number 6. Samsung Stormwash Dishwasher. Clean the dirtiest dishes quickly and most efficiently without pre-rinsing, thanks to the Stormwash Plus system with dual wash arms and a rotating spray jetter that delivers more intense cleaning performance and cleans at every angle to cover 1.5 times more space. At the end of a wash cycle, the door automatically opens to circulate air, allowing the dishes to dry faster. Cleaning dishes is virtually silent with this 42 dBA dishwasher, which is also Energy Star certified. The third rack provides extra space to load additional utensils and silverware. It's Wi-Fi connected, so you can remotely start, stop, or delay dishwashing cycles using the SmartThings app, which also allows you to keep track of and reorder new pods when you're running low. The time display shows how long a cycle typically takes to complete. With the FlexLoad rack system, you can fit items of various shapes and sizes. It costs about $149. Number 5. Anova Precision Cooker. Sous-vide is a cooking technique that enables precision temperature control. It works by circulating heated water in a pot and cooking food to the exact set temperature. There's only a 3-degree difference between a rare and medium rare steak, so precision means perfection. First, attach it to your pot, add your food in a sealed bag, and cook with the controls or the app. This simple and approachable technique eliminates overcooked or dried out food and ensures edge-to-edge perfection every time you cook, no matter what you're cooking. Anova has the perfect recipe for you, and it costs about $139. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is a fully connected 10-in-1 multi-cooker that allows you to wirelessly operate the unit through the Instant Brands Connect app. Simply select from one of 1,000+ smart recipes, with more added every day, and follow the cooking instructions in the app. Easily release steam with the one-touch button on the control panel or via the Instant Brands Connect app. It's up to 70% faster than traditional pressure cooking methods. The premium cooking pot's aluminum core offers faster, more even heating and greater searing. Cook up to 6 servings of food, perfect for meal prepping, family dinners, and entertaining. It costs about $199. Number 3. Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System offers a vast array of coffee and tea options, including smooth, naturally sweet, cold brew in as little as 10 minutes, and frothy chai lattes and cappuccinos. It also includes separate coffee and tea baskets. Turn hot or cold milk into a silky smooth froth in seconds. Brew directly into a cup with the coffee brewer. You can select your tea type, and the system knows the temperature and number of steps needed. 5 brew styles are included. Choose your strength with classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty. 6 brew sizes are available. Brew anything from a single cup or travel size to a half carafe or full carafe in your coffee maker. It costs about $199. Number 2. GE Profile Opal 2-Tone Nugget Ice Maker. Begin enjoying your first batch of ice in 20 minutes or less. Serve up chewable, crunchable, craveable nugget ice that's ready fast and retains its flavor, unlike traditional hard cubes. This ice maker produces 1 pound of fresh ice per hour and has a large capacity bin that holds up to 3 pounds of crunchable nugget ice, and it produces 24 pounds of ice per day. Easily pair your ice maker's built-in Wi-Fi with the Smart HQ app to monitor device status and schedule fresh ice. Refreshing nugget ice is made from compacted ice flakes and is perfect for cocktails, sodas, and other beverages. This automatic ice maker refills when your ice is running low, and it costs about $699. Number 1. AeroGarden Bounty Elite. Your plants will continue to grow and mature even when you're out of town. Just turn on vacation mode and come back to a healthy and thriving garden. The Bounty Elite is Wi-Fi enabled and can be monitored and controlled from the AeroGarden app. Check your garden status or turn its lights on or off no matter where you are. It features a 50-watt LED grow light for full-spectrum optimal lighting, a color touchscreen panel with water and plant food reminders, and infinite dimming grow lights. Full healthy plants equal big yields of more flavorful produce, with room for up to 9 plants, growing 5x faster than soil on the grow deck. It grows up to 24 inches tall, and you can grow even more variety with a sleek, modern garden that looks great in any room. It costs about $349. So that's it from this video, guys. These were some of the cool gadgets that your kitchen must have this year. And let us know what you think about these in the comments section below. And you can also check different recipes that could blow everyone's mind. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss any future updates. Thank you for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next one.